There are many unexplainable phenomena in our universe. Scientists have given theories but are unable to come up with solid explanation in many cases.
Here we are going to know about some mysterious and strangest sounds that have no reasonable explanations. One of the sound that holds no real explanation is the hum. The sound, hum, has been recorded on several occasions. Reports suggest that the low-frequency humming noise can only be heard by a certain portion of the population. The sound has been heard all over the world from Canada to Taos, England to other European countries. People who have heard this sound claim that they have mostly heard it indoors and the sound becomes louder at night.
Scientists have failed to investigate the source of the sound till now. But they have put various theories like hum is likely a byproduct of 21st century living, or the sound could be of any industrial equipment emitting particular frequencies. Julia is another strangest sound on the list. The sound was heard in ocean. Julia was recorded on March 1, 1999. It was loud enough to be heard by the entire equatorial Pacific Ocean hydrophone. It lasted for 15 seconds. The most likely source of the sound is a large Antarctic iceberg that run aground off Antarctica. Next sound on the list is skyquakes. Skyquakes are unexplained sounds like a cannon, trumpet or sonic booms coming from the sky. The sound has been heard around the world for the 200 years or so, usually near bodies of water. The sound produces shock waves that can vibrate a building or area.
Many scientists believe that the possible causes of skyquakes include sonic booms from military aircrafts, coronal mass ejections or volcanic eruptions. Fourth on the list is UVB-76, also known as the buzzer. UVB-76, also known as the buzzer, is a shortwave radio station that broadcasts on the frequencies 4625 and 4810 kHz. The sound consists of buzzing noises, a voice occasionally reading numbers and names in Russian. The source and purpose of the sound has never been determined. There are more sounds which have no possible explanations. But scientists have given various theories regarding them. We will highlight those strange sounds in future.